Hey everyone, my name's Georgina and I am part of the Adobe Creative Educator creativity crew, and I'm so excited to share with you guys today that I have received a very special package by special delivery airmail. Yes, it has finally arrived. Are you guys ready to see? So we have here the Adobe Creative Educator kits all the way from California. So shout out to the Adobe for Education team who has shipped this awesome package all the way from America. And it has finally arrived in Amman, Jordan. So I'm super excited. It's not easy to get shipments here in the Middle East. We don't have mailboxes on the houses here. And so everything has to come through a special delivery, and the address has to be pretty good. And we usually have to hop on the phone and help the drivers navigate to where we're at as well. So I'm so grateful that this has arrived safely. But here we go. I am so excited. Okay, I'm gonna try and open this with you guys. Although we have a microphone and a pretty nifty setup, here we go. The box is being opened. Whoa, check that out. I am a creative learner. So exciting. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay. We have some fancy wrapping paper to make sure everything stays intact while it's going through airmail all the way from the other side of the world. Okay, let's see what's in here. Whoa! So cool. Oh, circle stickers. Can't wait to find out what those are about. Awesome. Whoa, super cool. So we also have, ta-da! Adobe Creative Educator badge. Can you guys guess where that's going to go? So cool. I'll give you 3 guesses, but you probably only need 1. So one of the most important badges for myself, because you guys all know how much I love creativity, especially spreading it across education. It is totally going on my laptop. So I'm very excited to stick this very special sticker on there. Awesome. Whoa, you guys are not going to believe this. We have a nice little thank you card, I think. I don't have my glasses on. Getting old, guys. Okay, it says, thank you for all you do to spark creativity in students and fellow educators. That's so nice. Yay. Thank you for helping us also and bring joy. We are so happy to inspire and share our creativity. And gosh, I have to say, I just love learning so many creative goodies and tricks and resources and tools and strategies from all of my fellow creativity crew members, as well as all of the new education leaders that are getting certified with level 1 and level 2. So if you haven't had a chance, and we're gonna get to that in a second, you guys need to check out the Adobe Creative Educator course for creativity on the edx.adobe.com platform. Whoa, check this out. That is so awesome. So if you have already taken the Adobe Creative Educator course, you know that it is divided into 3 sections. There is the define, the create, and the reflect. And this is how we support creativity across education. So the deck is divided into define. This is so much fun. Why, the who, and the what. And then we have the create. I want to say it's my favorite part, but actually they're all so important in creativity. And this is the observe, explore, engage, express. And guys, it's not just one card, by the way. So you have all these cards that help everybody reflect. So then you can grab a card like this. There's prototype, engage all the senses, show, inform, tell the story. I love this one. So then you flip it over And you have all this information about digital storytelling. Woohoo! I can't wait to dig into these. So much fun. Okay, wait, there's another one. There we go. The third section is reflect. So this is quick reflect, in-depth reflect, and share. I love sharing. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I'm so excited, and I truly feel so grateful to get this package because, as I said, it's really difficult to get things in the mail over here in the Middle East, so I am just so grateful to get these awesome education tools. Oh, that's so much fun! Okay, check this out, guys. Adobe t-shirt. I am a creative educator. So much fun. And on the back, one of my favorite hashtags, Adobe EDU Creative. And that leads nicely into the next part, which is if you want to take the Adobe Creative Educator course, you can go to this short link, which is bit.ly/Adobe Creative Educator to take the L1 and L2 course. So much fun. And, oh wow, that's really nice. I have this, there's more. I thought the t-shirt was the last thing. There's something underneath the t-shirt. Let's take a look. Oh, this is thick. What is this? Aww. So, dear creative educator, this poster is designed to be an interactive expression of the creative journey you take with your students. The statement, I am a creative educator, sets the intent and reminds us that creativity is a part of every learning experience. How true is that, right? We'll also see the process, so define, create, reflect, which I already talked about in the cards, and we have access to connect with content with the ACE QR code. And finally, we can use the poster to track the creative opportunities to give our students. Wow, and that's so cool. Adobe is always taking care of us. Look at that, guys. They give us all sorts of fun ideas. Here are some ideas. Track process, track experience, track time, and no matter what we choose to do the poster, we hope it is a welcome reminder that creativity is at the heart of learning. Big heart of learning. I'm so excited. So this is the poster they're talking about. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit it all on the screen. It looks pretty big, guys. Whoa. Yeah. All right, let's do our best here. I am a creative learner. So much fun, and I love the colors. Really good. Wow, I am so grateful right now, guys. So thank you so much to the Adobe for Education team for taking care of us and sharing all this awesome swag with us. But you know what? It is meaningful swag, guys. I got to tell you. So if you have not heard, I actually stream every Friday morning at 8 a.m. GMT +3, which is in Pacific time, 10 p.m. on Thursday evening. And I actually stream live weekly a show called EDU TGIF, which is Education. Thank goodness it's Friday. So we're celebrating all things education and obviously creativity. So it's all about risk taking. How can we support educators to inspire and empower risk taking through the power of illustration across education? So it's to help educators learn how to leverage the power of drawing and sketchnoting, and knowing that you don't have to actually be a professional artist. And so as I am not a professional artist, I'm on there every Friday morning or Thursday evening sharing how I am learning all about drawing and illustrating in Adobe Fresco, and it is so much fun. We have different themes every weekend, so check it out, bit.ly/EDU TGIF, including tomorrow. So looking forward to seeing everybody there. And until then, make sure that you guys check out, I'll hold up the t-shirt again, check out this bit.ly link to become a creative educator and get on your L1 and L2 certification, guys. So many great benefits from becoming an Adobe certified educator. Just to name a few, there are tons of resources, like ready to use made resources, including things like the Discovery Library, where my partner Christina and I participated in one of the lessons for the Flipgrid Discovery Library to kickstart ISTE 20 this year. So there's all kinds of awesome resources to check out. There's also amazing events. So Adobe Creative Educator streaming every week with your favorites, Tanya, Clara, Dom, Jennifer, and everybody else. And the community is amazing. If you haven't yet joined the Adobe Creative Educator community, you are in for a treat. Everybody is so warm and helpful, and the amount of ideas and just the creativity and the curiosity that you'll develop just from learning from everybody else's ideas is tenfold. So definitely take a look at that. You also get special recognition on the Adobe Creative Educator platform, and of course, all of this super cool swag. So what are you guys waiting for? Check it out. Visit edx.adobe.com if you'd like to join there and check out other resources as well, because there are tons of other amazing Adobe tools that you can utilize in the classroom as well. And join the fun, join the crew, and become an Adobe Creative Educator. We are waiting for you. So until next time, guys, stay creative.